Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech and Creatives. Guys, yesterday I will discuss about some comments. These are all comments will be discussed about on yesterday topics, and I hope all are covered in the all comments also. You can create the images and delete the images and create the containers and delete the containers. All our comment I will share it the description also. You can go through it and already discussed about this video also. I will send the link also in description. Please go through. First of all, please watch it. And today topic is how to create the Docker Hub account and create the repository in Docker Hub, pull the image in local machine, how to create the manual image, how to log in the Docker Hub, how to push the image in Docker Hub. First of all, I explain it what is Docker Hub and what is the local repository and like what is Docker host. Okay, first of all, Docker host. A Docker host mission and repository. Repository means and Docker Hub and Nexus repositories like the Git repository and using GitHub and Bitbucket. That is repositories in okay. Create the this is Docker images. Once you can create the images in Docker host missions. Yeah, this is a host mission. So once you can create the image, can write the in Docker file and create the Docker images using the commands will be once you can create the Docker images will be stored in some places. I given the place also that is a Docker hub. You can take in the for example can create the today also an image. Once you can server issue any crash any server issues and like your your system will be crashing and totally will spoiling your totally loss on the images. That's why purpose will be storing some places. That is mainly using in Docker. Docker Hub like some Nexus artifact like GitHub. These are all the repositories. I have already done in Nexus and GitHub repository in my channel. Please go through that two videos also. Please watch it and come to Docker topic. And once you can create the images and you can store the some Nexus repository. This is a public repository, so you can access anywhere. Like you can working in developer side, you can send the production team also. You can take the URL, you can give you can take the URL, then you can send it. That is a good mainly in advantages in Docker hubs. use the push command, you can store the in repositories. I will explain it in practicals also. Once you can how to push the images in Docker Hub or Docker Hub repositories. Please observe it carefully. Only you can remember it. Okay, guys. Understanding what is a Docker image, how to push the Docker image in Docker Hub, what purpose we will be using in Docker Hub. Okay, mainly thing is, and can add the tags also. Tags means and release a particular version and latest versions also will be released. You can create the new old version. That version will be access the libraries and binaries. Will be you can store that images. You can add the tags and you can take in this only that URL. You can run the URL. You can give in this local. You can access the local machine. Docker pull command. Once you can create the Docker pull and image name and Docker hub account name. Once you can pull the Docker command, Docker pull and image name, you can access the local machine. Okay, guys. And go to the practicals. First of all, open my EC2 servers. AWS console. Log in my AWS account. Servers is running. And real time don't stop the servers. It's running to continuously. That practicals your own purpose will be stop here and like this say cost effectives. And then start the Docker instance, start the instance. And first of all, I will show it how to create the Docker Hub account. Docker Hub login. My side is already done and create the Docker Hub account and go to the sign in my side. Your side Docker login. Go to the Docker Hub. See, this place will be display and given the Docker ID. Docker ID means you can given the your name, access, my OC and email ID. You can given the any email ID will be accesses and create the one password Then you can create the captcha and sign in. These are all options will be you can create it. Once you can create this and sign in the your Docker image. Password. And once you can create the all the details will be you can access here. Once you can log in this Docker hub account. Yeah, see this once you can log in sign in the successful display this page. This is a Docker hub repository, and see this is all the images already stored in my images, and total display the all the images. You can take this and select this image. You can take the URLs. You can give here, see, Docker push tag name. Copy this. You can take the anywhere. You can access this local machine. I will show it in practical also, don't worry. And first of all, how to create the repository in Docker Hub. And create the repository. You remember it in Docker like GitHub and Bitbucket, same way, same purpose will be using, and create the repository and repository name. Launch event. You can add the description also, and you can use the public and private repository. Publicly means you can access anywhere, and can take the URLs. You can any person will be taken here. You can be accessing. And private means only your purpose will be accessing only. And my side will be set on public, and see this is optional, and you can access connecting the bucket also in S3 bucket. You can need to be link in GitHub also. Don't know, and create it. See, create the successful. This is my image. You can access the local where also. Docker pull command. You can access this and directly store the in local images. And go to my AWS account. Copy the public IP. And you can connecting by using the SSH command. Open to Bitbash. My system is very slow. Okay, this is it. So take successfully. And go to the root. And first of all, check the Docker install or not. Successfully installed in Docker mission, and check the images. What is the command? Docker images. See, nothing to else. Once you can pull the inmate. See, I'll create the one Docker image. That image will accessing local. Docker for your understanding purpose. Please observe it. Here are the rubber main page to launch the tag name. Okay, you can mention the tag name also. Don't worry. Okay, I will Docker. See, you can take from. Okay, that is it. Okay. Allowed image not there in my Docker hub. That my problem in not pulling this. Once check it Docker images. See Ubuntu images access the local machine. For understanding purpose, I will take the another image. Already so many images in my Docker hub. Okay. Take this. Totally copy. You can search the any is observing carefully. Docker full and Docker. You can search the any name also. You can search it and you can paste it here. It's successfully pulling in local machine. And then check to Tomcat images and how to create the container, Docker run -80. Then create the containers. Then exit my container, Docker, yes. Already exiting my container. Then how to push the in Docker Hub. This is mainly important, and how to one command given the command, how to rename the image names also. Another name will be creating, and Tomcat will be once rename the Tomcat, and you can create the another images. You can take the same thing, all the data. See, need to same image ID display the two name. You can access given the any name. Okay. Then Docker. I have already all the comments. Docker Docker commit and Docker ID and image name. Image name response no search the container. Okay, you can access the container also. See, it's created one image and check it Docker images. Okay, this name already in my Docker hub. I will create the another Docker. Hmm. Is create or not? I successfully creating the images. and then how to push the in Docker Hub. First of all check the in that image stored or not. See, there is a no image into Zenoido on slash bookshop image name. See, there is a no image in my Docker Hub, and go to the local machine and Docker login. First of all, login my Docker Hub. There is a command in Docker login. I will share the all commands, don't worry. Login, your ID, push and pull, username. I think I forget the password. One minute. Okay, guys. Sorry for the interrupt. I forget my password in Docker password. That's why it's problem. Okay, don't worry, guys. I will explain it definitely in tomorrow. First of all, I will show the pattern also. First of all, log in the Docker login command. Show the IP address and password. User ID means Docker user ID, and create the password. You can give in the password. Once you can log in successful, and Docker the images, copy this image, copy here Docker command, you can copy it, and you can store the directly your Docker Hub. My side ASP resources is denied for a login issue. Don't worry, I have explained in tomorrow definitely. Once you can push the Docker images, definitely will be stored in your Docker Hub. Once refresh it, definitely will be showing in your Docker Hub. I will explain it tomorrow in practicals. Once you can try it, definitely you will get in this stored in your repository, in your image. Okay guys, bye, thank you. I will share the definitely all the comments. In description, please go through the all videos. I will share it in description also. Okay guys, please subscribe and share and like. Don't forget the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.